I just needed to take a little break right there, catch that reflection, some reflection pictures. I saw some reflection video, and I'm thinking that I need some reflection pictures to go with that. Let's see what we can get up here. Pretty packed along here. I tried to go all the way to the pier. See if we get some reflection pictures on the way back. It's pretty nice and a gorgeous, beautiful day of dude out there fishing. Some people are bringing in seaweed. They're going to be saving it. Not sure what to get. Could eat that. I guess it might be good though. Blue saw that they were catching it and eating it, that seaweed, so he wants to get some now. Crazy dog. If you see somebody else taking it and getting it, and he thinks that it's good to eat, and he wants to eat it. Lots of barking dogs out. There's that one barking up there, but it sounded like got half his barker taken out, so it was a small barker. That's Marley's friend right there, relative, cousin or something. I don't know who it is. Cleaning out a little bit at the public beach there, not as busy as I thought it might be, but it looks real busy down by Papa's. Looks thick and thicker down there, real thick. Stop it. Stop. Come on. Stop. Come on. Be a good boy. One blue, one brown. You don't want to come around. Get knocked down. Upside down. Not that so Hope you guys liked the video. Please hit that like button if you can for me. Helps us to grow the channel. We're trying to get to 6,000. We're just trying to give you guys videos of the beach and so you can see what it's like and how beautiful a place it is. Yeah, we're gonna try to get 10 pesos per person, per subscriber, per month. $6 a year. That's what we're trying to hope for. $6 a year. Only to give back to the subscribers and give them vacations here to Rosarito. So let us know who wants to be the first one to donate $6 for 1 year. Beautiful Rosarito Beach video. We're always at the beach. I took off a couple weeks of running to let the tattoo heal. So try to get away from that music as far as we can so we don't get violated for copyright. Looking beautiful from the water. Don't worry, Rosarito Beach has it on video. Always. We got you covered. Oh, that's that one guy. Nice guy. Trying to keep the trash cleaned up. These guys do hard work trying to keep all the trash cleaned up. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Lots of room. Tons of room. Super room. A lot of space. I love it. Great amount of space. Cut it out. Look at that dog. That's a vicious dog right there, boy. Oh, look at this tiny little dog. the Chihuahua. That's about the extent of our video. I'm going to try to catch another couple beautiful reflection video pictures of the pier. So thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos, and we'll see you at the beach anytime.